Let's address the main question. Yes, as of today, March 16th, 2026, Verizon Fios is experiencing intermittent outages in certain regions of the US. These aren't nationwide blackouts, but they are affecting a significant number of users. We'll explain the reasons and impacted areas shortly. The primary causes of these outages are a combination of factors. Firstly, severe winter weather, particularly Winter Storm Zeta, has damaged fiber optic cables and caused power failures at Verizon's hubs. Secondly, Verizon is also conducting proactive network upgrades, which can lead to temporary service interruptions. No cyber attacks have been confirmed. Additionally, power failures at Verizon's hubs have contributed to the disruptions. The outages are primarily concentrated in the Northeast and Midwest regions of the United States. Affected states include New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Illinois. Within these states, urban centers like New York City and Chicago are experiencing localized red alerts, indicating more severe issues. Approximately 15 to 20% of Fios customers in these regions are affected. Service disruptions have varied in length, ranging from a few hours to several days. While Verizon is actively working to restore service, full recovery is expected by March 20th, 2026. Some users are reporting slower speeds, 10 to 50 megaperseconds, instead of complete outages. Make sure to report your problems to Verizon so they can respond efficiently. Verizon has mobilized a comprehensive response to address the Fios outages. They are deploying over 500 technicians across affected regions to repair damaged infrastructure and restore service as quickly as possible. For critical customers such as hospitals and emergency services, Verizon is providing satellite internet backups to ensure uninterrupted connectivity during the outage period. Their efforts are showing results, with service already restored in 70% of the affected areas. This progress demonstrates their commitment to minimizing downtime for customers. You can monitor the real-time status of your service using the Verizon mobile app. This tool provides updates on outages in your area and expected restoration times. However, be aware that the app might display a yellow status indicating minor issues even when experiencing significant disruptions. Always cross-check with other sources for the most accurate information. Verizon Fios infrastructure is built on fiber-to-the-home technology, delivering high-speed internet through thin fiber optic cables that transmit data using light signals. This diagram shows the key components of an FTTH network, including the triple play headend, fiber distribution hubs, and connections running to individual homes through various enclosures and splice points. The fiber optic cables provide symmetrical upload and download speeds up to 2 gigabits per second, making Fios ideal for streaming, gaming, and remote work with minimal latency. However, this infrastructure is vulnerable to physical damage, especially from severe weather like blizzards that can freeze the ground and crack buried cables. Outages often occur at amplifiers, which boost the light signals over long distances. This schematic shows how optical amplifiers use erbium-doped fiber and pumps to maintain signal strength. Failures commonly happen at splice points where cables are joined and at power supplies that feed optical network terminals. These diagrams compare current and proposed home network setups. Looking ahead, future trends in internet reliability point to several key developments that will help prevent and mitigate outages. First, we expect to see more weather-related disruptions due to climate change, as extreme weather events become more frequent and intense. Verizon is shifting toward hybrid fiber wireless solutions that integrate 5G technology, which can significantly reduce outage durations by providing backup connectivity. They're also investing in AI-driven predictive maintenance systems that use machine learning to anticipate potential failures before they occur. Expect to see improved outage reporting requirements and extensive network hardening efforts, such as protecting infrastructure against environmental damage. Overall, these advancements aim to make outages rarer and shorter in the coming years, improving reliability for all users. While Verizon works to restore service, consider using a mobile hotspot or alternative internet connection if available. If you rely on Fios for critical services, having a backup internet plan like Verizon's 5G home internet can be invaluable. Stay informed by checking Verizon's status page and reporting your outage to them.